Hey guys, today we're going to be making fart noises. Ready?
Bless you. Bless you. Kaden?
Hey guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.